welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsiejayy, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a little bit different because your girl actually showed you guys how I applied this wig. Just keep in mind you may see my lace just a little bit because the lace was like a medium brown lace. It was a little bit darker for me, but it's okay. The lace is still laid, like, you know, it's still giving you realness, okay? Like, other than this little piece right here, you know, we still made it work. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. This video is sponsored by LUVMEHAIR. Thank you so much, LUVMEHAIR, again for sending me this bomb wig. The hair is flowing, okay, period. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsiejayy, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm giving you like hair and makeup today, so that's real different from me. Y'all know I never do that. But yeah, so we're doing something different today, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. As you can see, my background is changing. If you've been following me on Instagram, girl, you would know that I updated my room. My room was tacky, honey, but I'm really liking how my room is looking, so hopefully you guys enjoy that too. I'm also I ordered a camera, so a camera is on the way for you guys, so the content is going to be popping, okay? Yeah, this video is sponsored by LUVMEHAIR. This is a 20-inch wig, and I'm going to put all the details of the wig in the description box so you guys can check it out too. Thank you so much, LUVMEHAIR, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I did already customize the wig, like plucking and all that kind of stuff off camera before actually filming, so hopefully that doesn't bother you all too much. I just know, like, me having to sit down, pluck, and all that would be like an hour type video, and yeah, ain't nobody trying to do that. And plus, I'm not a hairstylist, y'all. I just do what works for me. Just a disclaimer, the lace on this wig was a little bit dark for me, so you can't, it's not as transparent as my other wig that I usually wear because it is an HD lace wig. This one is not, but it was a transparent, like, medium, I think it's called medium brown lace. But yeah, anyways, the hair is slayed, so let's just go ahead and get on to the face. Today I already did my brows off camera. They're a little thick, but it's okay. We can work with them, okay? So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my eyes. I always use the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. This is just a technique that really works for me, so I like doing that beforehand. Because we are giving the girls color today, we're gonna make sure that we keep the look kind of neutral. Not saying like neutral, no color, but I'm probably gonna do like an orangey bronze type makeup look today. So I'm just gonna apply this eyeshadow primer to my lid first, and I did mix it with a darker concealer. I'm just going in with the shade Sculpt. I'm using the medium to dark palette.
Knockout. You win.
So I did go in with the Anastasia palette. It looks like that. Just went in with that bottom brown shade, and I'm just taking everything up into the brow a little bit too. So I've really been living for like that type of look lately. Go back in with that primer, and I'm just going to take my finger, and I do have nails on right now, so it's a little bit harder for me to like get in there. So I'm gonna take my finger and pat everything in, and it's okay if it looks a little messy.
Knockout. You win.
I'm going back into the Whatever palette. This is the palette that I used in my last video. I'm just taking this Morphe brush, and I'm just patting that shadow onto the lid. And you see it's like a really pretty copper color.
Knockout. You win.
I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It is so good. Everything stays snatched. I'm gonna take the Caudalie Spray. Brianna Monique uses this spray, so I was like, why not try it? I wasn't so for it, so this is my first time using it. With this spray, I feel like you don't have to spray like too many, like one or two. For foundations today, I'm going to be mixing them. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills 470, and then I'm mixing it with 410. 410 is a little bit too light, and then 470 is too dark, so I like to mix them together. for concealer today, I'm gonna go in first with the Mega Conceal. This is by Makeup Revolution. I'm probably gonna add 2 layers of concealer just to make the look look extra concealed, if that makes sense. Yeah, it does. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do, sis. So I'm gonna let this dry down first, then blend everything out. To blend it out, I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge. This is a new beauty sponge, actually. I just have makeup on it from my fingernails, but yeah, I'm taking this sponge right here, and I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Walnut foundation stick, and I'm just going to contour the sides of my face.
Knockout. You win.
I'm going back into my bronzer. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Bronzer, taking the shade Sculpt in the middle, and I'm just going to sculpt out my cheeks. And I'm using a Ruby Kisses brush. So I did my liner off camera, like my waterline liner. I just used the Anastasia Jet liner to line my eyes. Next, I'm going to take my 830 brush by Anastasia, and I'm going in with the Becca Trio palette. This is my favorite palette for blush. I'm just going to add a little bit of that blush. And it has like a nice like shimmer on it too, so it's a really nice blush. Now I'm going to take one of my favorite brow setting products. This is the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter, and I'm just going to set my brows in place. Get a little bit on my skin, so I'm just going to take my finger, my little pinky. Oops. And you see how I did that? Like, you want to wait until it dries. Like, don't be like me, sis. I'm impatient. So sometimes I mess my own self up by being so impatient. So for lips, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop lip liner. And this is in the shade BFF3.
Knockout. You win.
I'm going in with the shade Undressed, and this is a lip gloss by Anastasia. Last but not least, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier. This is the Indiscretion Face Illuminator. Definitely switched up the look with this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up and show some love. It was super easy though. Like, the hair did not take me long to put on or anything like that. It took me about 30 minutes like to put the wig on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not already, girl, go ahead and show some love in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Chelsiejayy if you have not done so already, girl. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.